How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add textures in Fusion 360. Now, basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your design. And from here, you then want to click on the design workspace. You want to change this to render. And then you want to click on the appearance option, which is going to be this one. Basically, inside this page, you just want to scroll down and we have different textures in here. So we could do something like stone, wood, paint, other miscellaneous liquid. But in my case, to make my design better, I'm going to select something like metal. And then let's select gold. And then what you can do is to download the texture itself and then drag and drop it onto your model. So in my case, it's going to be this one. So the top one is going to be gold. The bottom one is going to be something like titanium. And then so on and so forth. You can just click on download, drag and drop, and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.